Hi! So today we're going to be talking about filtration. Typically when you'll need to filter in the lab, you'll need a syringe filter, you'll need a syringe, and you'll also need a vial. So normally how you filter a sample is you have your sample, you get some of your sample with your syringe, you attach your syringe filter onto the lower lock syringe, and then you grab your vial and you filter into the vial. And there you go, your sample is ready to go into the HPLC. But if you have a lot of samples and you don't want to have as many plastic supplies in the lab or glass supplies, there is a new product that replaces all of this with just this. This is a filter vial. Now, to help us demonstrate how a filter vial works, we're gonna bring our friend here, the French press.
So the way the French press works is you start with a dirty sample, in this case coffee grounds and water. You add the sample to the container and you put the press filter over the top to push down. The junk gets trapped at the bottom and the filtrate comes nice and clean to the top.
You have your filter vial. What you can do is you can just simply take up some of your sample. You can put it into the filter vial collection area. You see there's a fill line right there. You just want to make sure you don't go past that fill line. And then you take your filter and you simply press down, and that's ready to go into the HPLC.